I know. Oh my god, this purple is so pretty. I'm getting distracted. So guys, today we're going to be doing this look inspired by Lily Collins Met Gala look, which was done by Fiona Styles, and this is the look. Let's get into it. This is me, no makeup. Let's get into the look. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-hour concealer in the shade Medium Warm Olive. Step 1, concealer. So I'm going to be taking my concealer and just placing it on my lid to prep my lid for eyeshadow. And the reason why I'm concealing my lid before I do brows this time is because I want to do my brows after to give it a more natural and bushy effect. I'm just going to blend this in to make for a smooth base before eyeshadow. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade Bright. And I'm going to be going into the shade first over here, as you can see. It matches my nails! So we're going to be picking up that lavender shade on this fluffy brush, and we're just going to pack on this color until it's super, super bright. So we're just going to be packing it all over the lid area, into the crease, and up to the brow bone. Dragging it out. Nice and blended. Wow! This looks so good already. So 10 points to Gryffindor for anybody who can guess all the things that match my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be going back into eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be taking this purple shade over here and making it a little bit deeper. So very minimal product on the brush. I'm just going to blend it into my crease very lightly just to add a little bit more depth. So next step, we're going to be going in with winged liner, and we're going to be using the Roller Liner Eyeliner from Braatvedt Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm just going to be drawing a line from the corner of my eye, just a little bit up, in line with my eyebrow. Then we're going to go from the tip of this eyeliner over here and drag it all the way down. Like such. Then I'm going to make it even. I'm going to fill it in. Okay, so eyeliner is officially done, thank God. Now we're going to be going on to eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. So first I'm just going to be brushing up my brows, and I normally use soap, but today I'm not gonna because I don't have it here with me. Okay guys, so my favorite Met look this year was definitely by Ezra Miller. His look was freaking amazing. He had eyeballs literally all over his face. It was great. It was the perfect illusion. And of course, it was done by the amazingly talented Mimi Choi. Like, her work on Instagram is insane. And I really get excited when the Met Gala comes around every year because the makeup is amazing, and every year I just find myself being inspired by so many makeup artists and celebrities that I just have to like recreate something. Okay, so next we're going to be going into the Rose Flash Balm by Pixie to prep the skin. This is just to make sure that our foundation sticks nicely to the skin and that our face is nicely moisturized. And I'm going to be using the NYX Concealer Glow Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Golden. Okay, so next we're just going to be going into foundation. Now I'm just pouncing this sponge onto my face so the foundation applies evenly and seamlessly. Don't forget to drag it down your neck, just so that you look even all over. Don't forget the forehead. Fantastic. So now we're going to be going into concealer, and I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer in the shade Medium Warm Olive. So now I'm just placing this under my eyes. In my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on the chin. And on the cupid lip. And with this step, we're just trying to highlight the middle of the face, just to give our face that extra pop. Okay, so just to add that extra little va-va-voom, I'm going to be going in with a lighter concealer, and I'm going to be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer by NYX in the shade True Beige. I'm just going to be applying this to the same places. And I am using a little bit less of the concealer now because, as you guys saw, I did put on concealer already. This is just to brighten up the under eyes. Next, we're going to be going into setting powder, and I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So this powder is a bit on the pricey side, I won't lie, but it is honestly worth every penny. I paid, it was 860 Rand. And I bought it at Skin Cosmetics in Sandton City Mall. But honestly, it's so worth it. Now I'm just going to take a brush and wipe off the excess powder. So back into eyeshadow, we're going to finish up the under eyes. Just going to run that across the waterline. So good. So for mascara, I'm going to be using my favorite mascara, which is the Roller Lash from Braatvedt. I'm going to curl my lashes first. Wow! the best mascara in the freaking land. There's something over there. There we go. Mascara done. So next I'm going to be going in with these lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Khunou lashes, and this is in the style Magnolia. So lashes done. Next, lip gloss. So for lip gloss, we are going to be using the Lumi Lips by Gosh, and it looks like this. And the NYX brown lip liner, which is getting smaller by the day. So I'm first going to line my lips and then put some lip gloss on. Just put this on like how you put Vaseline on. Simple. And now onto other shiny things. Highlighter. So the highlighter that I'm going to be using today is the MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension Skin Finish.
Show me the teens. Oh.
So I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. And now, I'm going to go back in with highlighter. Much better. Okay guys, and that's the entire look done, son. Oh yeah. So the reason why I decided to do this is so that I can show you guys how to make high fashion looks wearable. So guys, even if you see my super colorful and creative looks on Instagram, always know that you guys can take inspiration from them and make it wearable for yourselves. And on that note, bye!